So let's start today's drawing. So I will take 4 inches. If you don't want to do all these guidelines, you can just draw lines. Now I'm going to take 2.5 and I will make the box. Now I will take middle point 2 inches over here and 2 inches over here. Then I will connect. Now I am going to take 1 inch from the top. Not exactly, a little bit here and there, that's totally fine. Then I will connect. After that, 2 more lines, guidelines. So I'm not going to use ruler. I will just draw these 2 straight lines. Now let's start the drawing part. So I will start from here, this part, and turn here. And this is the line is coming, so I will take a little bit in and I will turn this one this way, and after that I will bump here like a for cheek, and this is the line. So I will start from here and I will try to go and make a roundish one here. Let's go back over here. And then it will turn alphabet U, and here I will try to draw. So this is little bit up. I want this one to go a little bit more down. So I will go almost like middle of this one, you can see, or just a little bit high. Maybe a little bit more, because I don't want tail to go up really. So alphabet U, and then turn and make it kind of like a leaf over here. This is the V. I did drawing over here, so it has middle. And so how to fix this? So I can see this corner almost in the middle, and I will try to draw bird style or alphabet V. And from here I can turn this one and I can turn this one just like a leaf. And after that, this is a little bit up, so I will adjust this one here, maybe a little bit more deep. It will look more better here. And this thingy has to be in the middle, so I have to pull this one a little bit more. And this one has to go here. It will start from here and it will go almost here. So I will start from here and I will go here, and it can go a little bit down to make it curvy. So now I'm going to fix these ones. So from here it's kind of like a smiley face, and from here kind of like a slightly alphabet S style. If you cannot do that, that's okay, you can simply do the simple way. I will do all the parts and then I will go for the like a fixing. Sometimes what happens when I'm connecting these one, they are kind of straight, and then later I want make it more roundish. So this is the line. Over here I will do one, and the second one long for the highlighted area, and this is the line. So under here I will go this side and this side, more same distance like this one and this one. This one looks a little bit far, so let me erase and do the same distance. I got it. Now I will draw one line here, and can you see the difference here? So from this one, same thing, I will draw one more time here. So this one and this one, so I will start from here and I will go under this one this way, and this one will also come here. And the second one, we will start from inside. So I will take 2 points from here, and this one will go under this. Suppose if I will draw this line, this will go under this one like a big smile. And from here I will do alphabet S. So first curve and then second curve, and this will be roundish here. And from here to here, and from here I will go a little bit down all the way, kind of like a smiley but not really deep. And then I will go up here, and then I will go again smiley this way. So let's start the eye part. So this is the block, we have long one, so this area is the middle one. Under this one, and if I will do really from same distance from this side and this side, this is the point. So this side, we're going to draw one circle here, and from here to here, this is the middle line over here for this block. I'm going to draw bigger than this one and a little bit down, not over here, a little bit down and a little bit compared to this one bigger. And then I'm going to draw one cute smile here. So this one looks a little bit far, so I will adjust this one. So I'm going to erase lines from inside. So we have to erase only this one, not this one. I'm going to outline everything and erase the guidelines. I'm going to color the eyes, but the way you want you can color it. I'm going to do very simple way. Now on the top of over here, if you want few drops of the water, so one curvy line like this, kind of like candy cane style, and this direction we are moving the pencil, so same thing for this one, and then we will connect. So this is going to be drop. Same thing we are going to do this way, curve, and then same direction we will connect.